Okay, this is FCA 438 counsel fees. So what this is saying is, first of all, in A, it's may allow. In B, it's court shall. Okay, so what's going on here is that the court may allow counsel fees to be paid to the petitioner. But in B, if the respondent failure to obey any lawful order compelling payment of support, then the court shall, upon a finding that such failure was willful, order the respondent to pay the counsel fees. So if the respondent F's up, the court's not going to pay the fee. If he was failure to obey any lawful compelling payment of support, then the court's just going to tack that counsel fee onto the respondent. Let me read the code now so you can hear it play out in real time. Okay. A, in any proceeding under this article, including proceedings for support of spouse and children, or for support of children only, or at any hearing to modify or enforce an order entered in that proceeding, or a proceeding to modify a decree of divorce, separation, or annulment, including an appeal under Article 11, the court may allow, again, the court may allow counsel fees at any stage of the proceeding to the attorney representing the spouse, former spouse, or person on behalf of children. Okay, B, in any proceeding for failure to obey any lawful order compelling payment of support of a spouse or former spouse and children, or of children only, the court shall, upon a finding that such failure was willful, order a respondent to pay counsel fees to the attorney representing the petitioner or person on behalf of the children. Representation by an attorney pursuant to paragraph B of subdivision 9 of section 111B of the Social Services Law shall not preclude an award of counsel fees to an applicant which would otherwise be allowed under this section. So that's FCA 438. Quite frankly, I don't know how that makes any sense, because if the dude ain't even paying for the child support order and he's not obeying the child support order, you really think that petitioner's ever going to get to see, that spouse is ever going to get to see any money? She couldn't even get the child support. So now instead of the court paying the fees, they're putting it on the respondent who's not even paying child support. So that's just effing the petitioner more so, in my personal opinion. Just a little feedback. Anyhow, that's 438 counsel fees.